In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok. Literally, if you have the wrong age or your date of birth is not correct on TikTok, there are a way to go about it to change it to the correct date of birth or to change to the correct age on the platform. So the first thing you want to do is open the TikTok application and make sure you sign into your TikTok account. After that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right. Here you have options to create tools, my QR code, and settings and privacy. Now let's go with settings and privacy by clicking on it. Once you hit that, just scroll down and click on report a problem. Once you click on report a problem, all you need to do is come here and click on account and profile on that topic. Once you hit that, you should see the expansion here. Now we want to edit our TikTok profile page by adding the correct date of birth or the correct age to our page. Then click on edit profile. Once you tap the edit profile, you should see a series of options here, including unable to change username, change profile photos or video, updating username, change account bio, and the rest of them. Now, none of these will solve the problem of hiding your age or editing your age on TikTok. All you need to do is tap the other button, and once you hit the other button, you should see all this information here. And then at the end of this page, a question is asked. Is your problem resolved? Of course, no. Then tap no. Once you hit the no button, you see thanks for your feedback. Then the next thing is hit more hubs. Once you click on the more hub, you'll be given an option to contact TikTok directly. Then for your safety, do not include any personal information. All you need to do is type in a message explaining to TikTok representative that you want to change your date of birth or your year of birth on TikTok. Like I have here, hi, I have a wrong birthday date in my account and I would like to change it to the correct one. I wouldn't mind to provide a valid ID card if needed to confirm that I own this account. Thank you. So make sure everything is well written and you do not upload any ID card or verification means without requesting for it. So once you are satisfied with this, hit the submit button and then you need to wait for a couple of days for TikTok to reach out to you about your message and the necessary steps you need to take to change your date of birth or your year of birth on TikTok. So this is how to change your age on TikTok using the TikTok feedback page. So if this is helpful, if you want to let out, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.